Sir Ken Lerona, our inspirational guest speaker. Dr. Lauro Gonzalez, our dinner symposium speaker. Fellows, residents, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. I have some of the brief looks on how this chapter was organized because during that time, I was a senior resident, and noting that the stalwarts, the organizer, more of our consultants of our department. So more or less, I have witnessed the milestone of this chapter from its highs and lows, from its different activities, sponsoring mid-year convention. And one of the convention that we could not forget is during our mid-year convention. That was held in Boracay. So it was in year 2009, wherein it's quite hard during that time to look for sponsors because most of the pharmaceutical companies during the time will not sponsor events that are held in the resorts. But despite all of those hardships, we made it through and make that mid-year convention a success. So, next video. So last night when we are going here from Calibo, we talked with my wife, we talked about how to prepare this event, and I told her to be in charge of the courses. And one of the things that she noticed was that the way something that you have to celebrate more in this occasion. So if any one of us can tell us what is that significant milestone in this chapter, you all need a token.
Hindi ba lang ko?
I don't know siya.
Okay lang ako.
Okay, okay, Dr. Ga, you made it. No, so we were organized last 2011, and today is 2026. So this year is our silver anniversary as a chapter. So congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. PUAs. Silver anniversary. So kami silver anniversary natin. Kung may nakita ang logo, may 2001. So silver. So dapat kita prepare for this silver anniversary siguro natin. Okay. So this is just also a coincidence why we tried to make this affair we're in. We tried to make sure that all of the past president that is present will have a processional together with us, because maybe the timing man nga is because of our silver anniversary. So it's fate or just mere coincidence. But of course, because we started this kind of a celebration, so maybe for the next succeeding chapter induction, so perhaps we can do the same, and perhaps next time it will be more organized. Or would you trial and error? Okay, so I was inducted last 2005 as a fellow, member of this chapter. Then maybe I have served for 3 years as board of director with you, and then the rest is history. Okay, let me start with this overused or most famous quote, which says that no man is an island. Yes, we are no exception to this adage, because as doctors, we are inherently connected social beings who need a community to thrive rather than exist in isolation. It highlights that our lives are interwoven with others, and we rely on mutual support, teaching, and collaboration rather than being self-sufficient. With the advent of rapidly developing technologies, and just how fast the growing numbers of orthopods we're in nowadays, the more we need to have a community and a home, which is a Western Science chapter. So as the new batch of officers being installed to serve you, we want to uphold the ideals of solidarity, camaraderie, and excellence. As ideal as we think as it seems to be, all we have to promise is to do our best to at least continue the path of our previous officers that have led us, and try a step, if not a leap, for betterment of this society. We started this year activity with a thought and topic to improve of course, try to improve our practice. So that is why I try to invite Sir Ken Lerona. Just to tell you, 2nd Rona is my, 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 2 labor in Alipujan, Iloilo. And some other times na being partners in crime. Diba? And Sir General is very proud of her younger experience because during her childhood days, no, he used to be a met vendor, helping her parents sell meats in the market. So we will have a lot to hear with Sir General. As we all know, medicine is not just science, but also an art. And sometimes it may be more than an art. Some may say that depende na sa diskarte mo. So good rapport to our patients and colleagues is one thing I do that matters most. So sometimes we may see that not all who are at the top are the ones that leads in our practice. We have initially outlined our activities this year, which includes activities involving residents, subspecialties, fellowships, workshops, and one also of our planned program to give segments to our during our quarterly meetings to our experienced or retiring fellows to honor and acknowledge them for their contributions to our chapter and hear from them their words of wisdom. So maybe during our last chapter meeting, so we'll a portion of time where we will have to honor all of our senior fellows, and we will have to ask some of them to speak of how they go through with their practice and also with their experiences. Okay, maybe they can give us some tips on how to improve more of our practice. And knowing that it is our silver anniversary, as a chapter, we might be compelled to design an activity related to this. We need to your brilliant ideas, fellows. What should be your suggestions? Most welcome. And officers, brace for more tasks and store your energies for the coming activities with regards to this silver anniversary. So my dear fellows, loving rather than staying is what matters more if we want this chapter to achieve a better heights. Let us be a venue where pleasantries, camaraderies, caring and growing as a compassionate professional interface within this community. Let this be a rule rather than an exception. So finally, we have a home, the Western Visayas chapter, BUA chapter, on it, and that's because we have a stake of it. So lastly, let me also thank our first to mention Dr. Francilio, who have helped us guide with all of these activities, and my advisor also. Our officers who have helped us a lot to make this this activity a success, to our pharmaceutical friends who helped with us with their valuable support. Without them, we could not have this event. And to all of you who would like to please actively support this chapter, because the success of this chapter depends on all of us. Again, on behalf of the POA officers and board of directors, I welcome you to this activity. Thank you.